That's such a good boy. That's such a good boy. That's a good boy. That's such a good boy. That's a good boy. That's such a good boy. I'm such a good boy.
This is Zach's version of educated playtime. What you looking at? Hi, baby. What you looking at? What you doing? You having school? What you looking at? You looking at pictures? You looking at the rivers and the lakes? And the pole animals? Are you already bored? You know, that's what school is. Let's just go ahead and get used to it. Gonna be bored.
Hi, Josiah. Hi. Are you reading your book? Are you reading your book? Hey. Are you reading your books?
Hey. Oh, Josiah's asleep. He's going to bed.
His little hair. So cute.
Yeah, it's like.
Little boy's working out with his dumbbell already. One more, come on, you can do it.
There we go.
Feel the burn.
Feel the burn.
You need a spotter there, buddy?
Good job.
Good boy, Joe.
What are you doing? What are you playing with? Huh? What you playing with? Were you talking to it? You want to talk to it a little more? Talk to him. Let's see your shirt. What shirt do you have on? Yeah, you have on your daddy's shirt, don't you? Yes, you do.
He just rolled over on his tummy for the first time, and I didn't even see it happen, but he rolled over on his tummy to look at that book. He's getting a little tired. Hi. Did you roll over? I can't believe you rolled over. You're a good boy. Where'd that baby go? Boo! Peekaboo. Boo. Boo.
Good morning. Good morning. Say something. You want to say hi? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey! Get that bluefish! Get that bluefish! Get it! Get that bluefish, Josiah! Get it! Josiah! Get that bluefish! Get it! Get it! Hey! Hey!
Lions on the go.
Get it!
Birds fly high and low.
Are you getting that fish and that lion and that bird? Get him! Go get him!
You can do it too. Birds fly high and low. Fish know where to go. Fish is flashing you.
Get him!
You can do it too.
Get him!
Birds fly
Get him!
high and low.
Go get him!
You
I'm already
ready?
going.
You ready? Go. Watch this. Watch. Watch, baby. That's cool, huh? That's cool, huh? Look at the yellow stuff. Yeah, it's corn. Jesus loves me this time, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong, they are weak but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves you. Yes, Jesus loves you. Yes, Jesus loves you. The Bible tells me so. Has a voice. Jesus. Styrofoam cup. Well, guess what we're doing right now? While you're telling me this, I'm giving Josiah some formula for the first time. As I'm talking to you, he's kind of freaking out about it. He didn't like it. But we're... Do all that jazz, I know it. Oh, okay. Attaboy. Oh! Wow, what happened? What are you doing? Whee! Oh, he rolled it over. What is it? Was that fun? Was that fun?